There are many stops you have to visit before running containers and Kubernetes in production. Here are 5 key areas you need to successfully and securely run containers and Kubernetes in production environments. 1. Platform. If you are managing the platform, make sure to consider the different options to size the cluster appropriately. It is always better to start with many small worker nodes and scale later on as your workloads grow. Also, you want to formulate your own disaster recovery plan and use drills to test the plan and review it regularly. 2. Resource management. Identify and document the parameters to scale the cluster as you onboard more applications. At some point, you will have to decide whether to enlarge the existing cluster to accommodate for more workloads or build a new one. It's a good idea to limit the number of pods that can run on your worker nodes. This will make sure you never overutilize the computational power in your cluster. 3. Operations. Add health checks such as readiness and liveness proofs in Kubernetes in your application deployment manifests. This will increase the overall reliability and availability of your applications. Whenever possible, use infrastructure automation to automate things like infrastructure provisioning, attaching a volume, and similar tasks. Build monitoring and logging stacks that ensure both the health and functionality of the platform and applications are monitored and measured at all times. 4. Security. Use the principle of least privilege across the board. Rotate the encryption keys regularly to minimize the encryption blast radius. Identify, document, and fix Kubernetes misconfiguration issues using tools such as Starboard from Aqua Security. 5. Governance. Follow the Center of Internet Security guidelines for hardening the underlying hosts, container runtime, and Kubernetes. Ensure all data and script secrets are encrypted at rest and in flight. You want to keep in mind that the aforementioned steps represent a sample of 100+ steps undertaken as part of an actual Kubernetes production readiness exercise. To learn more, please visit the link below to download a checklist.